Hi guys, today you should not be buying this ship in World of Warships. I'm telling you. Look, so this is what I did. So you can see the experimental ships. I pressed on that. And I used to have 50,000 XP and now look what I have. I only have 14. That can not buy a single ship in this game. So look, here's the Eggs Oregon. You know that ship. It's a battleship. And it's really good. But it has good levels. Nah. And look what it says. It says, available, you must first unlock the previous ship. And guess what? Look what I'm to do. Okay. So this is a really cool battleship. Look at that. That's a beauty right there. But, and it's American, so that's pretty powerful. But, so I'm going to research and I can show this to you guys. So I'm going to look up how many days were until that ship's still on. Update too. $14.7. Enter. That's a really cool ship, by the way. And this ship would take me a year and a month to unload. That's crazy. No one buy the experimental ships because I'm telling you, it's not a great idea. Only if you want to make a year and a half. That will not be fun to wait for just getting a ship. Okay, I'm about to show you it. But like, this is a really good ship. Well, guess what? I see on the internet, on my computer, my other computer, that it will take a year and a month just to unlock these ships. That's not cool, man. Like, that's absolutely not cool. Never buy this ship and the experimental ships. This is crazy. And it's just a beauty you can see. Like, all those aliens. Look at those things. Those are great for battling with airplanes. And there's loads of them. And look at these cannons. These are massive cannons. So, never buy the ship and load of warships. I hope this helped a lot. And to make sure, this ship cost me 50,000 XP, and I only have 14. I could have spent another battleship to get it today. Instead, I just bought this one, and it would take me a year and a half to get this. Like, this is not cool. Never buy the ship. Bye.